Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so. Assembliesi. Send your go for react no. Ma other people so share ehunu se dabi se yentumi ankasa amfa ho a bibi besi. Answer the better to subscribe and click the notification bell no. We hear the latest news be aba wonsa ebeka. Na adie we send your wa we hu picture na eda wo screen so no. Evangelist Adai ne baba. Na menim say this particular thing it can be a very big issue and share American government ebepem because Evangelist Adai wawo e America into nemba no wo me citizens of America by birth. Na American so there wo mo hwe masebe BBC ANC assembly saying wawo ho picture na da o screen so no Evangelist Adai baba kitikiti o we me hwe yebetumi aka say we bia we did 3 or 4 years. I don't know the baba the age, but yebetumi aka say we did 3 or 4 years. But Evangelist Adai ama the Guinness ema wonum na muhu akola no ne nimkra e the second picture mo obo say she didn't like the taste of the Guinness. But who the first picture obo say akola no the Guinness e chia na no a wonum. Meaning say Ghana for bebre who bibi say the very first question they will ask is which responsible man and which responsible parent ebefa Guinness say what they ma eye ne ba ketwa ne baba ketwa. I know a lot of people will raise concerns about this, but the eye want to say asema Evangelist Adai Troye na wokọ ebia ne comments ni muko hu nsem a eda ho a wo be hu say oh say wo mo follow Evangelist Adai kra no wo mo f1 ne so too much etiefo. This will never happen in Ghana. Tell say ngrofu hu ade we kra na it should never happen in the very first place. Say papa Eddie Guinness be man ne ba hey na me person me read the caption me wi na me read some of a year Yebeka say the comments. Now some 1 or 2 people bashing no, but a lot of people were commercial reaction now. People were not even angry. Now some were kind of said akola fefefunu eniasia wo hunu ensama eno ni asema Evangelist Adai o say akola fefefunu eniasia ohunu ensama o say she don't like the taste of Guinness. Evangelist Adai says akola woko fefe efunu eniasia ye de ne ka na say ubehu samai but ebi Evangelist Adai no he knows the right word internal worker say wo hu ensama. Now we say she don't like the taste of Guinness. Not just Evangelist Adai and the Guinness a send the baba ansa se wonum na ne baba ne num ya no taste na nya ne de inti no wenya ho akukudro ebetwa ho picture e de abetu social media say yenye den fa ho enimgo asesem say wo the Guinness ma wo baba ketwa se wonum na wo wie wenya akukudro etwa ho picture e de abetu social media say nipa enye den aseme na esi edien na esi me ko kan yesi wo de yenim say wo mpe Evangelist Adai asem wo mpe na asem na say me try mo say initially na eya Evangelist Adai ye nyame bia me ba bonten e be kasatia no but nkofu bi frame etu me for say if I am talking about Evangelist Adai I actually need to be neutral. Na efuto na nkrofo de ma me no me gitumu it no from that time no na me kasa F5 Evangelist Adai hu bia na ya me neutral. But an interest say if I feel say he's doing something wrong, if I feel say sebe intitia wode ema ne baba say wode Guinness ashe ne baba ansem say wonnum no Evangelist Adai hu say ne baba empe no, if I feel say this is wronger, you don't expect me to just sit down and keep quiet. Me ba bonten na mabekasa internet for we ni ada eda na we ema me koye nhwehwemu because ebia it could be my own ignorance. Ebia na Guinness kra no eyema nkola ebia na Guinness yema nkola ena me metina ha sei ena me kasa nti me koye nhwehwemu me ko Guinness for eya wo mo website official website na me koye nhwehwemu na me pese me hwe the legal drinking age for a year Guinness. They say age ese would do answer wo betumi anom Guinness. Na tie for me call Guinness for website no dey wo more can and say Guinness no ese would be 18 years answer wo betumi di Guinness akawa no. Munti asem ni o. Ose was say wotumi di 18 years answer wo betumi di Guinness akawa no. Eno ne nsem a Guinness for air. But another school of thought so air say when you say Ghana has a young crofo can say oh tete no na Guinness say ye ton e wo drugstore na Guinness ye ton wo drugstore and then some crofo can say tete ne na Guinness ye ton wo drugstore inti no ye dro inti akola no no ma ye dro e ma no and then some na ebi mo kan but wo mo kasa se no mi bi samo asemo wo ko drugstore edro bi wo ho kra na even edro a esaya we kra no ye wo age limit e wo ho in the sense ye we ndro a ye de man kola e na ye wo ndro ampanyifo efa se akola wo go fa panyidro a e bia e be have side effect on you inti even omo ka say Guinness de ye dro ne to wo Guinness ne to wo drugstore no inti no akola na enum kra nya hwe no me kire mo say drugstore kra sebe edro esa yare no edro no eto de bia ye wo age limit wo ho you say akola enfe edro we or painful enfe edro we ninia restrictions on the drug it you know whether Guinness is a drug or not Guinness for say mundi 18 a men no Guinness for eneka wo mo no mayo wo mo nsa wo mo say mundi 18 a men no na Oko America there's Ghana has a yehu Guinness edimu hu Guinness as an alcohol. People also don't see Guinness as such. That one me nyo bia manum Guinness say me fan to am another. Me nyo bia me no mensa. So I can't tell whether Guinness is an alcohol or not. But Ghana need ya what can Guinness pe wo mo de be kan the alcoholic brands ne ho. That's here. But me no I don't know anything about that. But therefore let's go into the comments. Let's see what people are saying. Say, who the mentality of people, especially most of the people following a year evangelist Adai. Will be saying that is my daughter. There's a nipper where someone can say, yeah, me bano no. There's a wolf one who say, hey, Guinness no me bano no. Will be so say, sister Efia, enjoy your Guinness by great Mame Water. Hey, Ghana. Baby Eduni, or see, akola no enjoy the Guinness. Na akola nem se ni din di Efia. O see akola no enjoy the Guinness. Na we dia Mame Water na aye. Mo amu ni se Vanessa da ne Mame Water de. Enya asem ketwa. Obi so say, bless her Princess Adai Tagore. Mame Water na what yase eno ni asema obi so eka. Obi so say, much love little sister. Obi so say only your socks, Princess, nice one. Obi say my boss, baby girl, that is nice. Into short comments, Obi say so far me reading more than 5 comments. Now what money no, they don't have and they are not seeing anything wrong with Akolano or Num Guinness no. They are all not seeing anything wrong. Now comments be and I will be buying the back say and why allow them taste it at this age? And only question I will be beside. At the time they say woman akola num Guinness at this age. Guinness one air say Guinness they 18 years they say wonum na. At the time they say woman akola num at this age. And only asema will be so baby sir. Obi so buy I was say Mame Water in granddaughter. What yase wa hwe. We asem. Obi say Mame Water nana. Obi say Mame Water nana. Hey. Just say wo hwe dia nkrofo kan. Hey. Obi say Akwada plus Guinness plus Adai equals Mame Water. Adai die jimie sa and only asema will be there aba. But for I am very disappointed in some Ghanaians. I am extremely disappointed. Something like this, you'd expect people to say that, oh, Adai, wait there, you pewasem. But Akola at this age, Panse would dig Guinness and man there, Adai, in Chaye. You expect people, Obi Awodono, and I said, would dip on Nibia, Wobeka. And so you expect people to come out like this. But Osha will be asking, hey, Mame Water nana. It's like they are not concerned about Guinness now, Akolano, and no. Obi also says she wants apple juice. Oh, we ready. Obisi, come and see your headmaster's kid drinking alcohol. And no na make and say will be air can ebi mo air can say sebe Guinness alcohol. Me no me no be no means I don't know whether Guinness is an alcohol or not. But what I know they say Guinness for see won't be 18 na but more young ones say won't be 18 na men no. So I don't understand why evangelists are die. Ebefa Guinness e de amane ba say one no. Na wasanso twa ho picture e de abeto online. Say Ghana for enye den fa ho. Now this thing no, it can really land him in a very big trouble. It's here for Montreal comment box ni mo me da say.